Hi friends, this video shows how to install apps from unknown sources in Android TV and fix app not installed error. So first we need to go to settings, open settings, then select apps, then go down and select security and restrictions. Here we can see two options, unknown sources and verify apps. So first I am going to select unknown sources. Here we can see list of apps. If you are not seeing any app here, you can install apps from Google Play Store. So here I am going to allow Explore File Manager app to install Android APK files from unknown sources. Let me enable it. Okay, done. So now I can install Android APK files from unknown sources using this Explore File Manager app. If you want to give same permission to another app in the list, for example I am going to give the same permission to this send files to TV app. Okay, done. Then go back. So here we can see verify apps. So if you are seeing warning while installing Android APK files from unknown sources, you can disable that here. Just disable here. So please try these two options, so that way we can install apps from unknown sources in Android TV